Hi, this is Jirka from Reawote.com, and in this short tutorial I want to show you how to work with our Reawote PBR loader plugin in the 3ds Max. If you already installed our plugin, you will see the windows like this, and if you don't install the plugin yet, you can go to the website realworldtextures.com/plugins where you can find it. So using this plugin is really simple. What you have to do is just to hit the browse button and navigate to the folder with stored Reawote materials. You can select this folder and you can see all materials are added to the list. If you click on the material, you can see a little preview, so it can help you to navigate through the list of the materials. You can select all materials, or you can check just the materials you want to upload to the 3D scene. So I will select them all. You can also refresh the list in the case you add something new to the folder, or if you have something, some materials in the different folder, you can add them to queue via this button. And of course, in the end, you can clean the list like this. So again, I will select the folder with the materials. I will select them all. And also there are some options which maps will be included within uploaded materials. This is up to you. And in the end, you can select from Corona or V-Ray render engine. So I will select Corona render engine and I will load selected materials. If you go to the material editor, you should see how the materials are uploading to the list. And one thing I would like to point out is that default value for the displacement is set to 1, but in most cases it will be lower number. For example, for this floor, it will be something like 0.1. So I will show you just quick example how it looks like in the final rendering. So I will place the simple object like sphere in the scene and I will apply our material into the object. And I need some lighting, so I will go to the environment and I will upload some HDRI map like this. Okay. And I can start interactive rendering. You can see displacement value is a little bit high, so I will decrease it a little bit to something like 0.1. Or maybe even lower, like 0.05, let's say. Or that is 15, doesn't matter. Yeah, you can see the materials is compiled, the reflections are okay, everything should be nice. So that's all for now. I hope you will enjoy this plugin, which will help you to upload our materials from Reawote library quicker. And stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell button and the like. Thank you for watching.